In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly make multiple charts in Excel. If you build dashboards or reports, you know how much time it takes to recreate the same look and feel across many charts. The fastest way to speed that up is to duplicate an existing chart so every copy keeps the exact formatting, size, and style. That's what we'll do here, and it only takes a couple of seconds once you get the hang of it. Start by clicking the chart you want to duplicate. Make sure you actually select the chart object, not a cell. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around the chart with small handles on the corners and sides. If you still see a blinking cursor in a cell, click directly on the chart area, the plot area, or the chart border to shift the focus to the chart itself. Getting this selection right is important because the shortcut we'll use behaves differently if a cell is selected. With the chart selected, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+D. Excel instantly creates a duplicate of the chart, usually offset slightly from the original so you can see both. The new chart is an exact copy. It carries over titles, colors, fonts, axis settings, legends, data labels, and overall dimensions. That consistency is what saves you time and keeps your dashboard looking polished. You can press Ctrl+D again and again to create as many copies as you need. Because each copy matches the original, you avoid repetitive formatting work and reduce the risk of small inconsistencies creeping in. This is especially helpful when you're building a panel of charts that should share the same visual language, such as monthly trend lines or category comparisons. If you press the shortcut and something fills down in a worksheet cell instead, that means the sheet still has a cell selected. Click the chart again to confirm the border and handles appear, then try Ctrl+D once more. Also, if your system uses custom shortcuts, remember that the duplicate command applies to the selected chart object, not the worksheet grid. Once you've created your copies, you can arrange them into your layout and update each one to point to the right data. Because the structure and formatting are already in place, those final adjustments are quick and precise. That's all there is to it. Click the chart to select it, then press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Repeat as needed and you'll build clean, consistent sets of charts in a fraction of the time.